السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا إخوان وأخوات في دين الإسلام. كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير، أنا الحمد لله. إن شاء الله تعالى أنا أتكلم about the Quran, about loving the Quran and studying the Quran and making the Quran your companion, inshallah, throughout this life. The Quran to me is like the most important thing, and it's the chief of all knowledge, So you want to study ilm and get in that kitab, get in that tafsir, inshallah ta'ala. That's something I need to do more myself, is get in the actual tafsir. Like, I memorize the Quran, but I don't know the meaning of every word, but some of it I understand. But alhamdulillah, I want to try harder to memorize the tafsir and what was being going on when the ayats were being revealed, inshallah ta'ala. So I'm gonna go into that, inshallah. But yeah, if you make the Quran your friend and companion, it will intercede for you on Yom Qiyamah, So that's something that we all need, Any person that was ever born on earth in life, needs any intercessor he can get that will successfully intercede for him, Prophet Muhammad was going to be the only one that could intercede for his ummah, and we need that Quran as an intercession as well, and the masjid, and our hearts being attached to that as well, inshallah ta'ala. So, with that being said, I'm going to try to make the intention, you feel me, to try a little bit harder, and I want you brothers and sisters to do the same as well, inshallah ta'ala. Let's try to get in love with the Quran more, and attend the masjid more, inshallah ta'ala. And let's try to encourage our brothers and sisters to do the same as well, inshallah ta'ala. As life is short, we just doing it for a short time, so we must utilize our time here wisely, and do things that help us lead to the path of Jannah, inshallah ta'ala. So, inshallah, I'm going to leave it at that. I love you all for the sake of Allah. May Allah grant you all Jannatul Firdaus al-Aliyah and grant you success in this life and the next, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.